Top 1. Magnaloop.py dash Python test dash visuals.
This is Code Beyond Sight. We will learn about loop concept in Python programming. The loop concept is very important in software development, so you should understand that concept. So many software depend on this loop concept. So basically the loop is nothing but the loop is using to repeat the same task or the block of code multiple times. So this is basic definition. So the Python has two type of the loops, for loop and while loop. So this is very important. Okay, first let's look at out the for loop concept. Okay, for
Line
loop concept.
FOR4 spell OOP loop.
For loop, the for loop nothing but this is using to run the repeat multiple times run the same in using to sequence. So for example, I tell real world scenario. Okay, for example, you have the one piece of paper. That paper is list. The list is has the many fruits names: apple, orange, cherry, banana. So after 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 go to fruit shop, the fruit shop holder, the owner, ask to you what you want, what fruits you need. So the fruit shop owner ask me, sorry, ask you. So that time you read the uh, all fruit names: um, apple, orange, banana, grapes, like this. See the piece of paper, that is a loop. So you you read using the piece of paper. The piece of paper has the many items or fruits. So until the fruits name is all to tell, you speak the another fruit name. For example, I write the code for that. So I create a
FRUITS fruits equals left
variable.
bracket
I'm
quote
I'm create the list
APPLE
apple,
line right bracket comma quote ORAGE
orange,
line right bracket comma
orange,
comma
orange,
quote CHEEGCHERRY right
cherry,
bracket comma quote BANA
banana,
right bracket comma quote GRAPE grape
grapes.
line
So
feed
this is the list.
fruitsy
You after you reach the fruit shop, the fruit shop owner ask to you what you fruit need you. So that time you read the all things, all fruits need, until the
line feed quote grape
grapefruit name you tell, until you read the all fruits names. Okay,
line
so
feed
I'm code right for this. If you want to use the for loop, you mention the for loop
FOR
keyword.
4 OR
Or
space
for loop
space
keyword, this is very important. After I'm create the local variable, for loop variable,
FRUIT
fruit.
fruit line
Okay,
feed space
fruit,
in
this is membership
line
operator.
in
So
line space
I'm the give the sequence is fruits.
FRUITS fruits line
Fruits,
feed
you give the
colon
colon. After
4
enter,
space
after enter or
PRINT print left quote
print
FURUITS S line
fruit.
right parent comma FRUIT fruit comma quote space colon space line
Okay, again run.
terminal blank PSC colon backslash users back blank Fruit colon apple fruit colon orange fruit colon cherry fruit colon banana fruit colon grape PSC colon backslash users backslash.
You can hear or you can see. So the grapes, until the grapes is finished, the loop is run. That means I'm navigate again cursor.
Main landmark loop E. No
First
indent
time-
for F.
First time is first value is apple. So apple
Four space
is go to print statement. After apple text is print. After again go to the first block for loop.
No indent for fruit and fruits colon. Fruit 4.
For this block. So again the next index is
Orange selected.
orange. The orange is again
Blank.
print.
Origins for fruit 4 space print left parent P.
Orange is again print. Again go to the for
No
loop
indent for
statement.
fruit and fruits.
The next is cherry. To
4
print.
space print left parent.
Repeat the this loop until finish the list, last list. This is the basic concept. Okay, so this is the basic concept. And again next concept is very important, range.
Print
Using
left
range.
parent quote fruit
So
colon
if
quote
you
cut
want
space
to
unselected. For fruit and fruits equals
If you
fruit
want
right
to any
line fee.
range to give, that means again on
blank
okay. Again I'm creating
F O R 4
another
space
for loop and
I space
declare one variable, local variable
I N in space
in
R A N G E range space
range.
left parent
This is a sequence. Okay, I give the
1
1
1
2.
comma 5.
So this is basically the range concept is one point to another point. That means I give the 1 to 5. So the range is 1 2 3 4. Sorry, 0 1 2 3 4. The 4 until 4 values is print.
Blank.
Okay.
No deadline fee colon 4 space P R I N E print left quote N U M B R
Number.
line right parent comma 1 1 term C E A R clear clear Python dot access a PSC call PS number 1 number 1 number 1 number 1 number 1 number 1 PSC colon backslash users back.
This time I mistakenly sorry, I mistakenly give the
Term main landmark
you don't give the
right p 5 comma 1
this time print the 1 2 3.
terminal 3 comms EAR clear access a PSC number 1 number 1 number 1 PSC colon back terminal 3 comma
Okay, range. Okay, I mistakenly
main
give the
landmark
one.
right p 1
I give
I
I variable.
term EAR clear clear access PSC number 3 number 1 number 2 number 3 number 4
This time the loop is
PSC colon
run
backslash user
until the fourth index is. That means 0 1 2 3 4. The fourth index until come this loop is run. So what this is the range keyword.
main
This is
landmark
very important. The range keyword is very important. So you give the using this range keyword, many operation we will do that. Okay, the next concept is using nested loop. Okay, this is
range
using
unselected quote comma I right quote comma blank selection
Okay, this is
TASRAGE range RANGE range
range.
blank
Nested for loop is nothing but this is the main block. The main loop is inside have the another loop. For example, I print the multiplication table. Okay,
F O R 4 space I space INRAG
range
N R A N G E range left pair 1 1 comma 5.
So this time print 1 to 5.
Blank.
For example, sorry.
For I and
I
line
give
feet
the
colon
code
4 space P R I N T print left parent I
So I'm run the code.
terminal CLEAR clear blank 1 2 3 4 PSC colon backslash users back
1 2 3 4. So 4 times
main
is
landmark loop
because 1 2 3 4 4 times is printed. Again I'm again the
print
another
left line
loop is
feed
I give.
right pair I left print
Okay.
P R I N print P R I N T print quote equals equals no indent for I 4 space
Another loop is
F O R 4 space J J space I N R A G E Ragni Rag R A N G E range left pair 1 1 comma 5
5.
line feed colon 8 space
The inside the print the two loop available.
force no indent for
The main loop
4 space for J and
main
range
loop has
left
the
parent
another-
1 comma
another
5
loop.
right
So this is called nested loop.
8 space blank
Okay.
P R I N T
Again,
print quote
a print statement I give. So write the print
Quote.
statement.
I comma
I
comma I comma
okay.
com
I
quote
quote,
and
star
star comma comma quote J J quote
comma,
equals
equals,
comma comma J J
I
I and star
star
J J
So I give this right
terminal
this
3 CLEAR clear use the accessible buffer alt plus F2 to manually review output use the accessible buffer alt plus F2 to manually review output clear python dot backslash loop dot pi 1 star 1 equals 1 1 terminal 3 5 terminal 3 accessible 3 star 2 equals 6 3 star 3 equals 9 3 star 4 equals 12 20 equals 4 star 1 equals 4 4 star 2 equals 8 4 star 3 equals
the
12
multiplication table is work. So this is the range keyword and the nested for loop. We will using this method we print the multiplication table. So this is very useful for us writing code.
main
So
landmark
the
loop
next
dot pi
concept is
right parent selected
I
equals
command
quote
is all.
5 equals quote right pair blank selection
The another example I will give another section is while concept.
number
Okay,
double H I L E while L O O P
loop while
loop
the while loop this is also loop concept. So but the for loop is using to sequence. The sequence is finished until run, but while loop is the condition is true until the loop is running repeated multiple time running until the condition is true. For example, I write
Blank.
the code. Okay.
C
declare
O U
count.
N E
I write the I create the
count equals
count. Okay, count
0 0
I mentioned. Okay,
W H W H I L E while space
while
C O U
count
Q C O U N E
count
count greater equals
equal
5
this
5
means
4
greater
space
than equal to 5 and I'm increment the count
C C O U N E
count
count
plus
plus equals 1 1 space P R I N T print left parent
print
quote T O T A L totals O O C O U N E count space colon right parent comma space C O U N E count terminal CLEAR clear total count colon 0 PSC colon back accessible PS total count colon 0 terminal main landmark
Okay.
print left 4 space count C
Wait.
no indent while count greater equals 5 colon
So I'm
equals greater less
So
less
this
space
means the counter is this time is
terminal 3 CLEAR clear
mistake, logic mistake.
Python dot backslash loop dot py total count colon 5 PSC colon backslash
The total count is 5. Okay.
main
Why
landmark
this, the 5 is given. I mentioned this is
while
first
select
block.
while unselected while count less 5 colon selected
Okay.
while count less 5 colon selected
This block is the main loop. This is this while is has the while condition has the condition. The condition is the count until less than 5 the loop is run. So the initially the condition is not the condition is satisfied because the 0 is less than 5. So the go to the loop after increment, the count is increment plus equal to 1.
while selected plus equals 1
The
selected
plus equal to 1 is increment. That means the count is increment 1. So the next time is go to the count. Now the count is has 1. So again run
while selected less
same
5
while
colon
condition.
selected
While condition the counter is 1. So the 1 is less than 5. So the condition is satisfied. So go to next.
while selected
So
plus
increment.
equals 1
Again
selected
and again,
count plus
again
equals
and
1
again, again and again check the condition. Go to the next. Go to the inside the block. Increment the count. Often go the go there until the satisfy the 5. So finally the counter is reach the count 5. So this time is condition is satisfied. So finally the loop is break after print the count. This is the basic loop. In case if you want to reverse
and
to
right parent selected
reverse
print
to
left
print the
comma count
count
number print
again,
W count equals 5 double H I E while space
while
count
less
greater equals
to
0 0
less
0
equal to
0 4 space count dash
alpha.
equals
This time I
1
need decrement. So
1 space PRINT print count dash equal line fee PRINT print left parent COUNT count quote COUNT count space right parent comma space COUNT count terminal CLEAR clear used clear Python dot back start
I mentioned sorry.
count on select count on
Okay.
terminal 3 CLER clear access PSC colon backslash PSC count -1
You can see this time reverse order to print the count. Previously ascending orderly print. This time print the descending order 5 3 2 1 like this. This is we can modify like this. So this is this concept is
Main land.
the loop concept is like this. So if you want to if you have any doubt and a clarification, you will ask any doubts in comment section, or you will send the mail. So bye, let's see next video.
magnifier desk